Hi guys, so yesterday my mom went to Party City and she got me some stuff for my friend and I because we play like restaurant, like taking orders and stuff at my house. So she got some stuff for us there, and also she got me 2 erasers. She got me this piggy eraser. And it's actually a pencil topper also. And this bear eraser. So I'm gonna fit these erasers right away in my collection, and you can take this part out like that and just put it back in together. And it has like little heart shapes, like details and stuff, so they're really cute. And then this is the stuff that she got for my friend and I for playing restaurant. These are like these little notepads of dinner that you take the order, and it says thank you here, and it's, you put here the tax and the total, and it's so cute, and it has lots of space to write, and it brings 15 sheets. So it's like a little notebook, a little pad. So cute. And this one's for my friend. And she also got us this International Bank of Fun, like checks, to play with them. And it brings also 15 sheets. And I believe these are for 50 cents or like $1 or something. A little notebook pad thing. So one for me and one for my friend and one for me. So yeah, it was a little haul for you. Thanks for watching this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And sorry about the table. This is the craft table and it's really messy. So bye.